Happy Friday the 13th, guys. So it's Friday evening. I've just picked up this rather lovely little Toyota Corolla Verso. Never had one before. Very nice little car. Anyway, it needs a lot of work. So I'm going to start with these rear lights. Now on these rear lights, as you can see, they're full of moisture. So what I'm going to do is take those off and dry them out. What's in there? On there. Want a bit of liquid? Grab them off. Show you when that's off. A little word of advice for this job: don't drop your nuts. They are very small, and if you drop them down there, you won't find them very easily. It appears that there isn't 2 bolts holding it. There's actually 3, but the third is behind the panel where you can't reach. So I'm going to make a little hole with this, and then I can plug the hole afterwards, but it means I can always get to the bolt whenever I need to, and it's not going to cause any issues, and because it's impossible to get to without taking the whole of this panel off. So I'm just going to drill a hole in this panel, and then I can fill the hole with a little plug. Oh, don't sit on your pick. And just repeat for the other side. That's what it looks like when it's out. Right, so I've just got to take these indoors now and dry them out.